Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The camera industry thrives on innovation, and Nikon is once again pushing the boundaries with the highly anticipated Nikon Z8 II. This next-generation mirrorless camera is expected to deliver groundbreaking features that cater to both professional photographers and videographers. With strategic improvements, powerful hardware, and cutting-edge AI-driven functionalities, the Nikon Z8 II is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of hybrid flagship cameras. Let's dive into the rumored specifications, possible pricing, and its expected impact on the industry. Nikon Z8 II. A worthy successor to the original Z8. The original Nikon Z8, launched in 2023, was widely regarded as a compact alternative to the Z9, offering flagship-level performance in a smaller form factor. However, while it impressed with its 45MP stacked sensor, lightning-fast autofocus, and 8K video recording, it also faced criticism for overheating issues during extended video shoots, limited battery life, and massive file sizes that challenged storage workflows. Nikon aims to address these concerns with the Z8 II by introducing significant upgrades in processing power, heat management, and AI-assisted features. The Z8 II is rumored to inherit the DNA of the Z9 but refine it with next-gen technology, making it a must-have for both photographers and content creators. Expected upgrades: power, speed, and AI enhancements. Next-gen processor and faster performance. At its core, the Nikon Z8 II is expected to be powered by the advanced XP7 Plus processor, a refinement of the XP7 found in the Z9. This chip will likely offer increased efficiency, allowing for faster burst rates exceeding 20 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure. Improved real-time computational photography enhancements, such as advanced noise reduction and superior subject tracking, are also expected. For photographers, this means faster raw processing, an expanded buffer depth, and enhanced AI-driven autofocus that predicts movement more accurately. Videographers will benefit from improved codec options, with internal 12-bit ProRes RAW and ProRes HQ recording capabilities, bringing cinematic-level quality directly from the camera. Autofocus and tracking. AI-driven precision. Nikon's autofocus system has made impressive strides, but the Z8 II is expected to introduce AI-powered subject recognition. This will significantly improve autofocus in challenging conditions, such as low light and fast-moving subjects like birds in flight or high-speed sports action. A new 3D Tracking Plus mode is rumored to allow users to customize tracking behavior, prioritizing specific elements like eyes over faces or maintaining focus on designated subjects in complex scenes. Advanced video capabilities. The Nikon Z8 II is expected to push video performance to new heights. The original Z8 supported 8K at 30p and 4K at 120p, but the Z8 II is rumored to introduce 8K at 60p for ultra-high-definition cinematic video, 4K at 240p for extreme slow-motion recording, higher bit rates and all-eye compression for professional-grade footage. Internal ND filters, a first for Nikon mirrorless cameras, simplify outdoor shooting by controlling light exposure seamlessly. Design and build. Lighter, stronger, more ergonomic. Nikon is expected to make slight refinements to the body design of the Z8 II. While maintaining its robust weather-sealed magnesium alloy frame, Nikon may incorporate carbon fiber elements to reduce weight without compromising durability. Ergonomically, a joystick redesign, additional customizable buttons, and a revamped grip for better handling are expected. A larger battery and improved heat dissipation could also help address previous overheating concerns. Pricing and market positioning. The original Nikon Z8 launched at $3,999, positioning it competitively against Sony and Canon's premium models. The Nikon Z8 II is expected to land around $4,500, still significantly lower than Sony's $6,500 A1 or Canon's flagship mirrorless cameras. This aggressive pricing is a strategic move by Nikon to capture market share, particularly from DSLR users transitioning to mirrorless and professionals considering a switch from other brands. Release date and final thoughts. Rumors suggest that the Nikon Z8 II could be released in early 2026, following the launch of the high-end Z9 II. In the meantime, the original Z8 remains a compelling choice at around $3,500, offering high-end specs and professional-grade performance. For photographers and videographers looking for cutting-edge innovation, the Nikon Z8 II promises to be a generational leap rather than just a minor refresh. If you're seeking a powerful hybrid camera with next-level autofocus, enhanced video features, and premium build quality, the Z8 II could be your perfect choice.